Reasons that should be obvious. I don't spend a lot of time here talking about grammar, but I want to for a moment. Specifically, verbs. And the reason I say this is that a lot of the coverage of the coronavirus pandemic in recent months continues to use the passive voice with verbs. And by that I mean headlines like cases hit record high, deaths spike in Florida, Delta variant breakthroughs are occurring in Texas. All of those things are true, but the choice of verbs and the usage of verbs doesn't capture what is really going on. A more accurate headline, GOP policies cause increase in deaths in Texas. GOP opposition to masks and vaccines lead to more cases in Florida. Those may sound like small differences, but they're really not. At this point in the pandemic, here in the United States, these deaths and these hospitalizations and these breakthroughs, which are tragic on the human level, nobody wants to see anybody I should say this, I don't want to see anybody, I can't speak for Republican politicians, I don't want to see anybody get COVID, get sick, die, or anything like that. But the reason this is happening now is because of bad Republican policies and Republican politicians who discourage people from common sense health protocols like masks and vaccines. At this point, the pandemic, we have a political problem as much, and actually much more than we have a health or medical problem.